up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday, December 1st, and I think we're gonna do Vlogmas. But we are heading out to go pick up my mother. We're about to go to church, so I do have to rush right now, but just give me 1 second and I'll come back. Okay, you guys, what's up officially? We've made it to my mom's house, so we're just waiting for her to come outside. Oh my goodness. So we're just waiting for her to come outside so we can head to church. Aiden, would you like to say hello? Oh, there's his little hands. Oh, okay. Can you put my vest in the seat, like on the seat? Here's my mom.
Hello.
Good morning. You're on the vlog. We're vlogging today.
Good morning.
We're going to church. Okay, guys, I'll update you for real. But we gotta head to church now, so bye. What, Aiden? Good morning. Thank you. Guys, we're done. Excuse me. Oh, that came out like throw up. You guys, we just
All this stuff so disgusting. I don't want to hear that.
Oh, sorry.
I can't do this anymore.
It was just a little, it was like mostly a burp.
Don't want to hear that.
It was mostly a burp.
I'm about to drive myself home.
Here, take my purse.
No.
Put that back there. Okay, you guys, so
You need her to open up the thing.
so we just ate at IHOP.
Because it was my choice.
Well, I already decided that we was gonna go to IHOP before you even asked. That's why I was saying it was perfect.
Nice.
So, yep. That's my mama.
Are we leaving yet?
Do we all look alike? What is up, you guys? So I wanted to update you. I'm actually working right now. The update is I got a second job. Well, this is like job number like 3, 4, you know, including you guys. But yeah, so I do Amazon Flex and I love it. Like, I literally love it. I love being able to make extra cash whenever I feel like picking up a block. The reason why it's called Amazon Flex is because I'm a contractor for Amazon, not an employee. So they don't like put me on a schedule and give me the schedule or anything. Like, I go into the app whenever I feel like working, and I check out any of the offers that they have. They let you know like which hub it would be out of, the block schedule, so from what time to what time, and how much you would earn picking up that block. And then I pick it up, I schedule it, and I go to work and I do deliveries. So yeah, I'm just delivering Amazon packages, you know, just like a normal Amazon employee would when they're driving, you know, the Amazon vans and whatever, trucks and all that. But because I'm a contractor, I do it out of my own vehicle. So So that's what I'm doing right now. I started an hour ago and I'm really excited. Is this a weird angle? I don't know. Maybe it's kind of cool. So I have my vest on right now. But yeah, so today I got a really great route. You really don't know what you're gonna get until you get to the hub and you know, get your route. But tonight I got a really good one. So I think I'm just gonna maybe try to prop you guys up and show you kind of like do a little montage of what it is that I do. I feel like Santa Claus up in here because I know that these are, you know, now that it's the holidays, there's so many offers available. There's so many routes and blocks to pick up because everyone is Christmas shopping, holiday shopping, all that. But ooh, yeah, when I tell you I love doing this, I feel like a delivery truck driver or something that's like long hauling it or whatever on these highways and dropping off y'all stuff, y'all goods. But I'm not that, but it feels like it, and I don't know, it's just kind of cool, and I love making money. I love making this bread. So anyway, let me continue. I don't want to waste too much time. All right, so I'm here at my next delivery. It's really dark out. Oh. I got a lot of packages today, so people's stuff is falling all over the place. Let me try to prop you guys up right here. Around you. Alright, so this one. Alright, I found the box. Remember, I'm not the only star of the channel. Let's just bring the chips. And the keys. Yeah. baby. Oh yeah, baby. Full tank, that's what mama like. You know, I may be slightly, actually, obsessed with detailing my car. I'm not the only one. I'm not even gonna start it out saying that. I know I'm not the only woman who just loves washing and cleaning out and detailing her vehicle. Like, let the stigma go that it's men who love to take care of their cars. Women do too. So I may or may not be back at the vacuum. Yes. I still have some time before work starts, so although I do need to get back because I'm in the middle of editing a video, that video is going up today. But anyway, yeah, let me get started. There's actually not too much trash in here because I literally cleaned out my car like the other day. So it's not too much going on. I'm literally just gonna take like 2 seconds, probably just like each push is 4 minutes. I'm just gonna do one push because I wouldn't even need the full 4 minutes. Like I'm just gonna vacuum up the little dirts real quick from where our feet usually are. But literally, this is the only trash in here right now. Wow. Okay. Okay, all done. Just a quick little, damn, open that back up. Okay, let's go home. Time to start the work day. Hey you guys, so it is the afternoon and don't worry, I will be showing you a little bit of like my work day at home. Sorry, I just got a message. I will be showing you that a little bit during my like afternoon, like after lunch work, I guess. But right now I am taking my lunch. I just made some noodles and I'm just gonna get back to some editing. So that's what I'm doing right now. I got my MacBook here ready to edit a little bit, and then I'm probably, so let me see. I feel like it's not gonna take me too much longer to edit this. Like the video can definitely go up tonight. And I need to clear the footage off of my phone so that I can make sure I have enough space to keep vlogging today, and if I want to vlog like another day this week or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat my lunch, edit a little bit, and then I think I'm going to watch some YouTube just to, you know, give me some me time. I actually was just cleaning the kitchen, swept, and like doing the dishes and such. And then I think I want to, I can't fit everything in my lunch hour, so, but I think I want to do some stuff in the bathrooms as well. But we'll just see. Like I have so many, like there's so many things that come up in here that I want to do, but obviously can't get everything done right now. But I do not usually buy noodles for my household, because you know, just lots of sodium, just not the healthiest of options. But every now and then, I want to say like maybe twice, maybe 3 times a year will I buy like the box of the oodles and noodles. Like sometimes I might be craving it, sometimes Aiden might be craving it, and so I'll pick it up. But yeah, so when that happens, like I definitely enjoy it. It's like a guilty pleasure food for me. Oodles and noodles. Okay, first I'm gonna respond to these text messages. And then I'm going to get to it. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. It is 6:37 a.m. and I'm just finishing up. I just finished editing. I'm about to start the upload process. I actually recorded this video in October, so kudos to me getting that up in December. Morning time. All right, you guys, my bed is not made. Womp womp. I got my video is ready to go. I didn't make a separate thumbnail, but what they suggested is actually not bad. It's just finishing processing the HD, so that's about to be done. And then I got a new work bag, and when I tell you I'm in love, okay? I got everything packed up in here, ready to go. It's so spacious. It's also lightweight, okay? It's spacious and lightweight with all this stuff in here. I got a book, my laptop, my notebook, makeup bag, my wallet, everything. My phones will be in there. One of my work phone is already in there. My other phone is gonna be in there. And I also am bringing lunch and snacks today. Yeah, so I got my lunch bag ready to go. And I love this lunch bag. It's perfect, spacious, cute, love it. All right, Aiden is off to school. He's on the school bus. This is my outfit of the day. I'm going to brush my hair down like later when I get to the office or something, or in the car. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. And this is my work bag. So it has the handles. I can wear it like this, or they're long enough. I can wear it on my shoulder, or this is how I'm probably gonna wear this one today, especially because I have my lunch bag and everything. I can wear it like this. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna do it. It's on my jacket. Get out my jacket. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna do it. This is me off to work. Yeah.
who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?